Thanks for tuning in. Today we discuss flowers versus plants. Flowers and plants are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same thing. Flowers are a part of a plant's reproductive system and are responsible for producing seeds for the next generation. Plants, on the other hand, are living organisms that make up a large and diverse kingdom of life. Plants are multicellular organisms that have cell walls made of cellulose, which provide structure and support. They are capable of photosynthesis, which means they can produce their own food using light energy from the sun. Plants come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and they are found in every part of the world, from the frozen tundra to the hot desert. Flowers are the reproductive structures of certain plants, and they are responsible for producing seeds. Flowers are typically brightly colored and attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Inside the flower, there are male and female reproductive organs that work together to produce seeds. Once pollinated, the flower can produce fruit or seeds, which can be dispersed to grow new plants. In summary, while all flowers are plants, not all plants have flowers. Plants are diverse and essential to the survival of life on Earth, while flowers are a specific part of a plant's reproductive system. Both are fascinating and beautiful in their own ways, and they each play an important role in the ecosystem. Links can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.